Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to land a job as a software engineer. So first of all, you want to decide what you want to do. You want to become a front engineer, you want to become a back engineer. This is your personal preference, and don't worry, you don't have to be right at the first time. You might go and learn front end, then switch back, because I did that. I first learned back end and then I switched to front end. So there's no shame to that. You don't have to be right at the beginning. After learning, after figuring out what you want to do, you will search for a YouTube tutorial or a Udemy course. I'm saying Udemy because they are affordable. If you don't like tutorials, you can go and purchase a book and start building early. Let's say you are a front engineer and you want to find a project you want to build. So you will build a to-do app, you will build an Instagram clone, a YouTube clone, and you might search for something more specific that you want to build or something more unique, because everybody's building a to-do app. So if you want to add that to a portfolio, you won't stand out. And my next step is to build a portfolio, which is a website with your projects, to demonstrate that to a recruiter. And my next step is to build your resume. You can search for templates around that. I might upload mine on a later video. And after that, you want to build your online preference. You want to build a Twitter profile, a LinkedIn profile, and start communicating with other people, start networking, and after that start talking to other recruiters and reaching out that you're interested working with them, with the company they work at. So after doing these steps, you will land your first interviews, and after that you will get a take-home assignment, solve that, and then you will get a job. So this was the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.